Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our class. See the chapter number 3, matrices. In this chapter we have to discuss about the matrices. So matrices is the important part of the mathematics, and it's a very new words for you all because you never heard about this word. So we have to go through the discuss of matrices. Sita has 3 oranges and 4 apples, and the Rohan has 4 apples and 2 oranges, and 4 oranges and 3 apples are held by Gita. So see here, first we have to write down the name of the persons: Sita, Rohan, Gita. Here is the name of the fruits: orange and apple. So just see, Sita has how many oranges? 3, and the apples is 4. Apples are 4. So Rohan 2 orange and 4 apples. Gita 4 orange, 3 apples. So see, if that is a horizontal, it's a horizontal. So that's see, it is also horizontal and it is also horizontal. This horizontal line, that is called the row, and the vertical, it is a vertical, that is column. Yeah, otherwise we can write down the in the another way: orange and apple. The name of the persons is here Sita, Rohan, Gita. Number of the oranges are 3, has Sita, and apples she has 4. So in this way we can write down. So really you can understand about the matrices. Now we will say about the matrices. The real definition of the matrices is: the matrices is an ordered rectangular array of number and functions. The number and the functions are called entries of matrix. So just we can say about the numbers. Here we will write down the numbers, and about the functions. Functions like you can say just the trigonometrical functions as well as the complex numbers. So we have to mention in this case, yeah, otherwise by the variables. So the symbol of the matrices. So see, these are the symbol of the matrices. The order, the number of rows and number of columns. So general representation of the matrix: A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A2n, AM1, AM2, AM3, AMN. So it means how many columns are there and rows. N rows you can say, and M columns. So that's why we will write down its order: M into N. M is represented rows and the N is represented column. The total number of elements, we will do the multiply M into N. It means if any matrix is having 4 rows and 3 columns, it means it has total elements 12. See the representation of the matrix. Here we have to represent the matrix. The order is 4 into 3. It means 4 rows. 4 rows means just you have to write down the 4 rows: 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the column is 4. So it means 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down the any numbers whatever you want in this matrix: 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. So see, in this case 4 rows are there and 3 columns. So here is 4 columns, it means it is a wrong. So just we have to write down another one for the 4 rows. So A11, A12, A13. How many columns are there? 3 columns. So that's why we will write down here 3 columns only. And the 4 rows: A21, A31, A4 1. Here we will write down 2 2, A2 3, A3 2 and A3 3. Here we will write down A4 2 and A4 3. So it is a correct one. So see the formation of the matrix. Here for the condition is given that 3 by 4 and Aij, I is row and J is column. It is a condition. It is a condition given that to you 2 plus I, 2I plus J. So here we will write down, let see in this case here 3 by 4, just we have to mention here A11, A12, A13, A14. The reason is behind here is 4 columns, so just we have to make the 4 columns first and 3 rows. A21, A31, all the elements you just mention, and after that we will be find out the condition one by one. A11, A11, it means in place of row we will write down 1 and in place of column is also 1. It means you can say in place of I, in place of J. 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. A21, 2 into 1 plus 2. So see here once again we have to find out another value. A12, it means in place of I we will use 1, in place of J we will use 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 as it, 2 plus 2, 4. So you just find out all the values and solve by yourself this question. So now we have to discuss about the type of the matrices. So see the row matrix, only one row. It has only one row. Just we have to write down 1 into n. It means it has only one row. So the order is 1 into n. A11, A12, A13 dot 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 an. So in the second one is the column. The matrix column matrix. The only one column. Only one column. The order is m into 1 because it has only one column. So see here A11, A21, A31 and AN1 equal matrix. Just this matrix is equals to this one and the condition is there, the order is same. It means its order is 2 by 2. It means its order is also 2 by 2. The corresponding elements are equal. All the elements, suppose A11 or here is A11. Here is A21 and A12 and A22. Here A12, A22 and A21 and A22. So see, this element is equals to this one and this is equals to this one and this one is equals to this one and this one is equals to this one. So according to the condition, the corresponding elements are equal. So now we have to discuss about the identity matrix, that is denoted by I, and R you can say unit matrix. The condition for this one is it has a square matrix 2 by 2, otherwise order is 3 by 3. The diagonal element is 1. The diagonal element is 1 and the other element is 0. So for the example 2 by 2, 1, 1, 0, 0. That is called the diagonal. So don't say this is not the diagonal. This one is the diagonal. We have to count why this to this. So by the 3 by 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So see, this is the diagonal. So it's depend upon the given matrix. It's depend on the given matrix. So see, given condition is there 2 by 2. So identity is 2 by 2 and 3 by 3. It means identity is 3 by 3. So in some cases are there, just we have to find out the value of the matrices a square plus 2a and plus 3. 3 is not alone. So 3 means 3i. It is like as 3i, and A is order. A is order. Order means just which of the order. Order of depend on the condition. Suppose A, its order is 3 by 3, and if 2 by 2, so it means I is also has the order is 3 by 3, otherwise 2 by 2. The diagonal matrix, just see the condition is there, not the same diagonal elements, not same diagonal elements. See, diagonal elements is not the same, and the other elements is 0, and the square matrix is always square. So that is diagonal matrix. We will discuss about the scalar matrix. So see here, just all the numbers are same on the diagonal. All the numbers are same on the diagonal. So here we have to take the common 5. It means it is represented by 5i, and I means I3. 3 means its order is 3 by 3. Understand everyone? So you go through the all the discuss, and after that we will solve the exercise also 3.1. So see,